In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Systemi.io. Being able to accept payments is essential if you're selling products, services, or digital offers through your funnels. And Systemi.io makes this process fairly straightforward once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can connect your preferred payment gateway and start getting paid without any confusion. First, go ahead and log into your Systemi.io account. Use your usual login page and sign in with your credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Hover your mouse over that icon to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account, where all the important configuration options live. Inside the settings page, move your attention to the left-hand panel. This is a vertical menu with different categories, and this is where you'll find everything related to your account and tools. Scroll through that menu until you see an option called Payment Gateways, then click on it. Once you're on the Payment Gateways page, you'll see a list of the different payment methods that you can connect to your Systemi.io account. These might include popular providers that allow you to accept credit cards or other types of payments. Take a moment to look through the list and decide which payment gateway you want to use. When you've chosen the payment method you prefer, look to the right side of that specific option. You'll see a button that says Connect. Click on that Connect button. This action will open a new web page, usually in a new tab, which takes you directly to the login page for that payment gateway. On this new page, you're no longer in Systemi.io, you're on the official site of the payment provider. Here, simply enter your existing login details for that payment gateway. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple businesses, and double check that you're logging into the right region or country if your provider uses regional accounts. Once you sign in and follow any on-screen prompts from the payment gateway, it will securely link your payment account to Systemi.io. After that, you can return to Systemi.io and your connected payment method will be ready to use in your funnels and checkout pages.